Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear listener, welcome back to my channel Zikre Karbala. So this is a new program, the Lady Fatima, and as there is the name Lady Fatima, so that means it will be based on the life and the shahadat of Bibi Fatima to Zahra Salamullah alaiha. So this will be the first episode, and in this episode first we will discuss about Noor Fatima and also about Miraj Nabi. So now let's get started with our first episode and the first topic, which is Noor Fatima. So let's get started.
The Lady Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the wife of Imam Ali alayhi salam, and the mother of Imam Hassan and Imam Hussain. The Lady Fatima, Episode 1.
When Allah created the first human, the first prophet, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, then he ordered his angel to prostrate to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. The angel asked him why we should prostrate him. Then Allah said, what I know you do not know. So when Allah ordered, and then he told him you have to prostrate to Adam. Then the angels prostrated to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam when Allah put the soul of Adam in the body. And then after a long time ago, as usual, the angels were worshipping, and then suddenly it was dark. The sky got dark, and then in a moment a noor came, and the whole dark sky was shining because of that noor. So this was none of the other but the noor of Bibi Fatima. And as the noor came, the angels themselves went in the sajda. So as for Adam, Allah told the angels to prostrate, but for the noor of Bibi Fatima, Allah didn't told. The angels themselves prostrated. Once the people of the Qawm of Hazrat Musa, Bani Israel, they told to Hazrat Musa that we want to see Allah, otherwise we will not accept it, what you are telling. So we want to see him, otherwise we will not accept what you are saying. So for this, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam said that it is not possible because you cannot see Allah. But they said no, we want to see. Then Hazrat Musa came on Kohitur and he told this to Allah, and then Allah said, Lan tarani ya Musa, you cannot see me. Then Hazrat Musa alayhi salam told, but they are telling that they will not agree. Then Allah told, okay, bring them here. When Hazrat Musa brought them there, then a light, a noor came up, and the peoples of Bani Israel were burned and they died. And Hazrat Musa himself got dizzy. So after this, when Hazrat Musa got up, then he asked Allah, whose noor it was it? Because nobody can see you. So whose noor it was it? Then Allah said it was the noor of Bibi Fatima to Zahra Salamullah alaiha. So if this was the power of the noor of Bibi Fatima, what will be the power of the Allah? So this was about Noor Fatima. So as I told, the second topic is Shab-e Miraj. So what is the connection between Shab-e Miraj and Bibi Fatima? So before Shab-e Miraj, one day Jibrail came to Prophet. 40 days before Shab-e Miraj, Jibrail came. He told that Allah had told you to worship all night, keep fast all the day. But Prophet Muhammad himself was worshipping to Allah all the night. So as Allah told, it started. So the first day when he was fasting, and in the time of Maghrib when he came to her aunt's house for iftar, then Jibrail came again and he stopped, and then he gave him water to drink and the dates of heaven, and said, now this is your iftar, not that. So 40 days this was going on, and then the night of the 40th day, Jibrail came with Burraq and told to Prophet, Allah had called, let's go. And then Prophet Muhammad sat on that Burraq and he went on Miraj. And then all the things which happened, it is separate. But when a place came, when Jibrail stopped and he said, now I cannot go further, you have to go yourself. Then Prophet Muhammad went ahead, and then when he came, then he heard the voice of Imam Ali, and Allah said that Muhammad, I will give you something and then you will agree from me. Then Allah said that I will give you the Noor Fatima. I will give you Fatima. And then a Noor which was hidden on the seventh sky came in the sulb of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this was about Noor Fatima and Shab Miraj, and in the next episode we will discuss about the birth and virtues of Bibi Fatimatu Zahra salamullah alaiha. So till then, give me permission. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.